In this section, we will focus on creating a well-defined waistline. This is a stylish and effective way to enhance your silhouette, especially if you have a bigger tummy. Here are some tips to help you achieve this look. Voluminous sleeve tops. Let's start with tops that feature voluminous sleeves. These tops are fantastic for hot weather for several reasons. Firstly, they provide excellent coverage while allowing better air circulation compared to tight, restrictive sleeves. Secondly, these tops are often made from lightweight materials, making them perfect for staying cool during summer. A voluminous top works by creating the illusion of a defined waistline. The added volume in the sleeves draws attention to the shoulders and bust, making the waist appear smaller in comparison. When you pair a voluminous top with fitted bottoms, or tuck it into high-waisted skirts or pants, you create a contrast that further accentuates the waist. This visual trick helps to